Go ahead, Bujin.
Okay. Hello. Guys, gagawin ko yung pinaka-energetic at pinaka-masayang opening sa balat ng lupa. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to DS Games Philippines. You are watching us playing One Night Ultimate Vampire. Today's players are Ice Princess, Utlog, Noob Ambassador, Skino Lorino, Kill Uncle, Bujin. Moderator today is Sandman. Take it away.
Thank you very much, JD. Yes, we are. Ay, Bujin pala. Sorry. Bujin pala. Thank you very much.
Uy, hindi siya ganun ha. Grabe kayo ha. Ganun ba siya?
Grabe. May katsat ako eh. Anyway, so we are playing One Night Ultimate Vampire with 6 players. Yung role, tingnan nyo na lang sa description below yung role list. Nagbigay na ako ng roles, guys. Let's start the game. With your mics, go to sleep.
Everyone, close your eyes.
Everyone, wake up.
Everyone wake up.
Alright. So, reminder lang sa mga villagers, if you feel that you're the villager, ang pinaka-main target mo is to look for the vampire, the count, or kung kanina man yung mark of the vampire. And then may extra agendas na iba. There could be an assassin. There could be an instigator. Who knows? Anyway, we have giving you guys another 6 minutes. Catch, well, whoever you want to catch. Good luck. Go ahead.
Guys, kilala ko yung Gremlin. Gremlin, wag kang magsasalita muna na Gremlin ka.
Oh, that's bullshit.
Okay.
Nakatoy yung sequence din. Anyway.
Bakit? Ba't di siya magsasalita?
Wag na muna.
Sige, fine. I'm the robber. Anyone?
Sino yung nanakawan mo?
Who did you rob, kill uncle, and say the role?
Not so much. I robbed Itlog.
And Itlog is what?
The apprentice assassin. So I don't know who the assassin is. Well, Itlog's a robber.
Oh, is there an assassin, Itlog? Sino?
Meron?
Ay, mamaya ako na sasabihin.
Okay.
Basta, hindi ko alam kung sino pinili nito.
Ano nga ulit ginagawa?
It leaves a mark of traitor.
Anyway, let's hear from the rest.
Ano?
Ba't mo tinatanong kung merong assassin? Di ba dapat di ko sabihin kasi yun yung magiging target ni Kill Uncle.
Yeah.
Hindi ko alam kung sino pinili mo kung may assassin. If you're the apprentice tapos walang assassin, then you choose.
Kilala ko.
Kaya dapat di ko na lang sabihin. Para for the team si Kill Uncle.
Yeah, well, okay lang. At least if I win or lose, okay lang. Skiddo, let's hear from you.
I need some trouble.
Uh-oh.
How so?
Wow.
Sino yung pinagpalit mo?
Kill uncle and Bujin.
Oh God, no, please. God, no.
Kilala ko.
I swap kill uncle and
Grabe
Bujin. So Bujin,
Ano ni
you better
Bujin?
steal. Kill uncle,
God,
you better
no,
steal.
please.
Wait.
Tell us how you really feel. Anyway.
Bujin, why? How did you know, first of all, na may Gremlin?
I'm the
Kilala ko kung sino yung marksman. Huwag kang magsalita, marksman. Kahit tinatanong ka na, huwag kang magsalita, marksman.
Wait, Skiddo, is the what?
I swapped you and Bujin.
Because you are the...
Huwag ka magsalita. Troublemaker, huwag ka
May gremlin ba? May gremlin pa ba?
Meron.
No.
Bakit sabi ni Ice Princess, troublemaker, wag ka magsalita? So, hindi troublemaker si Skiddo.
Ginagaya ko lang yung sinasabi ni NA at saka ni Bujin. Huwag ka magsalita. Huwag ka magsalita.
Huwag ka magsalita.
Ako, gumaganti lang ako eh.
Salbahin na ba ako?
Sandman, huwag ka na magsasalita kahit game over na.
Nauna ba yung... Nauna yung robber sa troublemaker, no?
Yes.
Where
Wala
before
tayong
trouble
gremlin,
always.
no?
Salbahin na ba ako kay Uncle?
So, Bujin, you have to tell the truth then.
Robber,
what
wag ka
are your role?
magsasalita, Robber.
Sige.
If you
I'm the
believe
marksman.
Skidoo,
I'm the
then-
marksman. So, marksman na si kay Uncle.
Ako, nagsalita yung marksman.
Oo nga eh.
Sasalita na rin ako. Ako, gremlin.
Kill Uncle, what's your role then, Kill Uncle?
I'm the robber. I said that. I'm
And?
the robber. I robbed
Robber, wag ka
who's
magsasalita.
apprentice assassin. That's it.
Troublemaker, wag ka din
It's up to Itlog
magsasalita.
kung gusto niya i-reveal kung sino yung pinili niya kung walang assassin. Baka walang assassin.
I mean, Itlog, if you woke up as an apprentice assassin, who is the assassin?
Or who did you choose?
Hindi ko
Kasi
nga
you're
dapat
not-
sabihin kasi magiging target lang siya ng apprentice assassin.
Ano ginawa mo?
Ipapaalam ko lang kung sino yung target niya. Ba't ko gagawin yun?
Hindi nagsalita.
So it's Ice Princess then.
Pinagpalit ko 5 at 6, by the way, na card.
5 at 6.
Oh, this is Skidoo.
Wait, so what's your role, Noob?
2 minutes
Now-
left. 2 minutes
You're
left.
claiming what?
Troublemaker, wag ka magsasalita.
Wait,
Sabi
what is
ng,
Noob claiming?
ano,
Skidoo, wag
silence
ka nang
game nga
magsalita.
to
Sabi
eh.
No, no.
Ice Princess.
So Skidoo, you're now
Silence game.
Ice Princess, whatever her role was. If
Ilang
you-
minutes na lang?
Troublemaker, like I said.
Masali ka
less than
na
2
sa
minutes.
competition, Skidoo.
No,
2
no, no,
minutes.
no.
Fine,
So
less
Ice
than-
Princess is you, and you are Ice Princess. That's all.
Oh my
And
God. We're getting
Bujin is
nowhere.
me, and I am Bujin.
Nauna yung robber sa troublemaker, di ba?
90 seconds.
Yes.
Oo.
Pero gremlin yung huli.
So baka walang
okay.
vampire.
Hindi,
So what-
meron.
What role
Nakita ko,
Five at six.
nakita ko yung Mark of the Vampire. Mark of the
Kanino?
Vampire, huwag ka na muna magsalita.
Kanino?
Hindi talaga.
Mark
hindi
of
ako
the
sasalita.
Traitor, wag ka na din magsasalita.
Huwag na kaya kayo magsalita. Mag-vote na tayo lahat.
Oh my God.
Nakita ko yung Mark of
Batman,
the
wag ka din
Vampire.
magsasalita.
Huwag na lang magsalita lahat.
Off-cam ka naman eh.
Nakaitlog, Mark of the Vampire.
60 seconds.
Traitor, wag ka magsasalita.
Bujin,
Go hard na
you're
5 at
marksman,
6.
right?
Yep.
Kill Uncle is the marksman now.
Yep.
Kill Uncle, what the heck is your role, Kill Uncle?
Robber.
Okay, so I'm gonna vote
Robber,
Itlog because he
wag
has
ka
the mark of the...
magsasalita.
mark of
Yep.
something.
Itlog. Let's vote for Itlog.
Yeah.
Kasi,
You got the mark of the
Wala.
vampire.
sabi ni Bujin
Yes.
na napalitan na ni Kill Uncle
30
na nakuha
seconds.
yung role ko.
I think
So maniniwala kayo doon. Maniniwala
Bujin
kayo
or Ice
apprentice
Princess.
assassin ako tapos nakuha ni Kill Uncle din napunta kay Bujin.
So sino na? So we
Ice
should vote for
Princess, what's
Bujin,
your
tama?
role? Noob Ambassador, you
Ah.
claim as Gremlin.
Ako,
15 seconds.
Instigator.
Pinag ko sa 5 at 6.
And sige
Bujin,
guys,
yung original na vampire. Si Bujin yung original na vampire. Ako yung original na vampire, then
Five,
nakuha ni Kill Uncle, then
four,
pinalik kay Bujin.
three,
So na kay Bujin na.
I think his Skidoo is not
Bye,
like...
Itlog.
Okay, stop. Mamaya na ako mag-comment.
Sandman,
Okay.
wag ka magsasalita mo.
Tapos na yung 6 minutes. We're gonna vote. Remember, you cannot vote for yourself. And your target, if you're the villager, if you're a villager, our target mo would be the vampire, the count, or kung kanino yung mark of the vampire. And then, bahala na kayo kung meron kayong sarili-sariling agendas dyan. Anyway,
Moderator, wag ka daw muna
I'm gonna
magsasalita.
mute si Ice Princess. Boom. Okay, so we're gonna count you guys down from 3, 2, 1 votes. Vote please, vote. I see 4, 4, 4. Tatlong 4. 4 yung pinakamarami. Itlog was voted out. Okay, sige, wait lang. Dami niyo sinabi. Lagi kong dino-double check lahat. Shit, ito ba talaga ginawa nila? Ito talaga ginawa nila. Kahit ako, nalitos, napakasinungaling yung lahat. Okay. So, I'm gonna jump right to it. Itlog was voted out. Itlog was the apprentice assassin. And he ended out as the apprentice assassin. Hindi
What?
nagbago ang card niya kasi hindi naman robber si Kill Uncle. Kill Uncle was actually the assassin. Itlog had the mark of the vampire and it stayed there. Good job. Itlog was the vampire apprentice assassin. Panalo ngayon ang village. Ngayon tanong, sino ang naglagay ng mark? Ang naglagay ng mark kay Itlog was Ice Princess. And pinagpalit ni Noob Ambassador si Ice Princess at si Skidoo So, Skiddo, you ended the game as the vampire. You
I
lost.
voted for you, Skiddo.
So, at the end of the game, Itlog, apprentice assassin na may mark of the vampire, he lost. Skiddo, na naging vampire, he lost too. Pero
Sige lang,
naka-Skiddo din actually yung mark of the assassin. So, talo rin si... Well, actually not Kill Uncle kasi pinagpalit ni Skiddo as the troublemaker. Pinagpalit niya ng role si Kill Uncle and si Noob Ambassador. So Noob Ambassador, with all your efforts, ginawa mong vampire si Skiddo, ginawa ka naman niyang assassin. So you lost 2. Panalo si Ice Princess na naging troublemaker. Panalo si Bujin na marksman the entire game. And si Kill Uncle nanalo na from assassin naging gremlin. Good job. Tama, nakakalito, di ba? Kahit ako chinek ko lahat. Pinagpalit ni Skiddo na troublemaker, si Noob Ambassador, tsaka si Kill
Ganyan
Uncle.
nangyayari pagka nag-play by the book ka.
So, nalito talaga ako. Ang daming
nagpalit.
nagpalit. FYI, for the recording, card 1 was the instigator. Explain ko pa instigator. Card 1 was the instigator. Card 2 was the robber. Card 3 was the counts. Anyway. Whew, deflating. Okay, sige. Wala na nag-usap. Sige, let's wrap the game. Vampire wake up. Specifically, the vampire and the counts. Okay, vampire team. Sino ang bibigyan natin ng mark of the vampire? Kailangan, kung more than one person nakikita ko, kailangan unanimous. The vampire team who gets the mark of the vampire. Wala namang priest, hindi na mawawala yan. We're giving it to this person. Noted, go back, sleep, vampire team. Okay. Assassin, wake up. Assassin. Okay. Pick your target, anyone including yourself. Kung meron silang previous mark mo, override yung pipilian. You give the mark of the assassin that one. Okay, well, keep your eyes open. Ising ka apprentice assassin. Kung meron mga apprentice assassin dito ating camera, okay, kung meron ka nakita siya ang target mo, well, again, ang target mo, kuna kanina yung mark of, kuna kanina yung assassin card. Kung wala ka nakikita right now, pick your own target. Alright, that's long enough. Tulog na, assassin and or apprentice. The marksman. Marksman, wake up. Okay. Start tayo. Kaninong mark ang checking mo? Checking the mark of this person. Okay. As of right now, that person's mark is this one. Kaninong role naman ang checking mo? Has to be a different person. As of right now, that person's role is this one. Go back to sleep. Mark. Troublemaker, wake up. Okay. Troublemaker. Kaninong roles? Not marks, but cards ang papapalit. This one, card nito, and card ni card nito and card nito. Okay. Go back to sleep. Gremlin. Gremlin, wake up. Okay. You can change the mark or the card of any two players. You're changing this one. Sige. Kaninang dalawa? Ito and ito. You're changing na ganito, at saka na ganyan. Okay. Go back to sleep. Anyway, Panabujin. You won as the marksman. You did tell the group na si Itlog yung vampire, so good job. You won along with Ice Princess and Kill Uncle. How about that? Sige, go ahead. Please close the game. You're very energetic, full of energy closing outro. Go ahead.
Of course! Grabe! Ang saya-saya, guys! Napaka-exciting. Ito na dito. like the video, please click on the like button. Subscribe to our channel, ES Games Philippines. Send your comments down below on the comment section. If you'd like to join, send us a message and we'll definitely send you a message back. Until next time, guys. See you.